Welcome back to the channel. Today friends, in this video I will discuss important medical terms that will be helpful to understand abnormal semen analysis conditions. One by one we will discuss that how we can understand the report if the semen analysis patient need treatment or no need. So these medical terms will be based on the motility abnormality, volume abnormality, shape abnormality. So on the basis of motility, on the basis of volume, on the basis of shape, or there is any infection or inflammation, so that terms will describe the conditions. First of all, we will describe on the basis of sperm count and volume what are the abnormal conditions. First term is oligospermia. When we will call oligospermia, when there is a low sperm count or when the sperm concentration is below the normal range or threshold, that condition is called as oligospermia. And next is azoospermia. Azoospermia means the complete absence of sperm in the ejaculation or in the semen analysis. When we will do microscopy, we will not find any of the sperm. That condition will be azoospermia. Next condition is aspermia. Aspermia means complete lack of semen produced during ejaculation. Next is hypospermia. Hypospermia when there is a lower than normal volume of the semen analysis. If less than 1.5 ml, that condition will be called as hypospermia. So on the basis of sperm count and volume, oligospermia, azoospermia, aspermia and hypospermia. Now we'll share terms on the basis of sperm motility. If the motility is not normal, then what will conditions? First one is asthenospermia. Asthenospermia condition shows that poor sperm motility. Either they will not move forward progression or they do not swim well. If it is less than 40 to 42% of sperm typically display progressive motility movement, that time we will call asthenospermia. Next is necrospermia. Necrospermia is the condition when all sperms are dead or immobile. That will called as necrospermia. So this will be the conditions on the base of motility. Now the term that will be on the base of sperm morphology. As you can see in the diagram, normal versus abnormal sperm morphology. The condition will call teratospermia. Teratospermia means the abnormal sperm morphology where the majority of sperms have structural defect either in the head, neck or tail. Generally having less than 4% of normally shaped sperm will fall in this category, teratospermia. In the diagram also you can see there is head defect, tail defects. Next conditions are the important term. Now the next one is very long name. I hope I will pronounce right. That is oligoasthenoteratozoospermia. That will show almost all conditions that we discussed previously. This is the combination of condition where sperm sample exhibit three primary abnormalities. First of all, low count, then poor motility and poor morphology. So all that conditions together will called as oligoasthenoteratozoospermia. Next is leukocytospermia. Leukocytospermia, as from leukocyte you can understand the presence of high concentration of white blood cells in the semen, typically more than 1 million per ml. This mostly indicates either there is infection or inflammation. That is not related with the structure of sperm. It is related to the presence of infection or inflammation in the semen analysis. I hope this video you like. Please do share, subscribe the channel. Your appreciation is very important for me. Until that, take care of yourself. See you in next video.